Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love, in today's video we are doing a leave-in conditioner. Okay, we're going to be using flaxseed. We are using, this is hibiscus, and we are also going to be using our coffee. You know, I've been using coffee a lot in the channel, and coffee is really amazing for hair growth and hair loss. Okay, it helps to grow your hair, and it also helps to stop hair shedding as well. So I just added my zobo. We call it zobo here, but it's called hibiscus. Okay, I added it in the coffee water. I used 1 teaspoon of coffee, and I just added 2 leaves of the hibiscus leaf. Then now I am adding my flaxseed, which is 2 teaspoon of flaxseed. Okay, and I just added another extra one just for more thickness. All right, and I will stir this and I'll allow this to cook for it to give us that our gel consistency. After it's being ready, I am going to strain, and I'm using my cheesecloth to strain it. If you have a wig cap, you can use that, or a sieve. I feel you can use a sieve as well, because I was straining this when it was quite hot, and oh my goodness, I really burnt my hand because it was really hot. So if you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you used this combo together? If not, just let me know in the comment section. As I said earlier on, it was quite hot. I was just trying to squeeze out the juice, the flaxseed gel. Okay, right here I was trying to squeeze it out, and this is what we have. After squeezing it out, I'm adding my Jamaica black castor oil. This is going to be a treatment for me. I'm going to allow this to stay on my hair for a while. So if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Kindly watch the video to the ending so that you find out how I use it to apply on my hair. And yeah. So guys, I am done with my wash day routine. I did like 2 series of wash day routine before this particular one, so I want to use this treatment on my hair. In here we have hibiscus, coffee, and flaxseed. Smells nice, and I put a little bit of like 20 drops of Jamaica black castor oil. My hair is already damp, so I'm just going to be applying this on my hair. Then I'll go with my leave-in condition. Or should I go with my leave-in condition? Apply this, then I'll apply this leave-in condition oil, and I'll seal it up with my hair cream. So I think I'll carry this for maybe 3 days on my hair before I decide to remove it. Or maybe I might carry it longer, I don't know yet, but we'll see. Because I'm going to apply it, then I'll braid my hair. I think that's what I will do. I'll just apply it and braid my hair. I'll carry it for 1 week, then I'll lose my hair. I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. That's why I did a small batch, so that it does not waste, because I don't want this thing to waste. My hair feels so soft, like guys, super soft. I'm using Cantu. Sorry, it's be hard. I saw a video whereby a very very huge YouTuber said Cantu damaged her hair. Like that her hair was really caught. Like, I've been using Cantu ever since I went natural, especially this particular brand, and I have not seen any wrong in it yet. Natural hair is not easy, especially when you have grown your hair and something now spoil that thing, that time, that energy that you have put in making that hair to grow that extent is really annoying. But what will you do? You just have to move forward. So I'm using, here is my TCB Naturals. Okay, it has vitamin E inside. The oil I used was oil I use in my hot oil treatment. Okay, it's remaining, so I just use it on my hair. Like, this hair is super moisturized and super covered. So I'm just going to plait this, because I will plait it one later on, but I'll just plait it like this right now so I can finish the rest of the hair, and I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like. Because if I should sit down here and do this thing with you all, it's gonna take a lot of time. Maybe I will try and come live stream where I show you guys how long it take me to wash, detangle, condition. That lesson is gonna be a long live stream. Maybe I should do that. What do you think in the comment section? Let me know. I'm gonna be applying it on this side as well, off camera, and I'll come back and do this one with you. That will like mine. I got that right. Leave that place. Mama, leave there now. Come out from there. What about your hand? Mimi, go and pee. Before you pee in your pants, go and pee. I am done. I'm just going to allow this not to dry, but I'm going to plate it one. I don't know, maybe I'll show you guys at the ending what my one looks like at the end of the video. So I am done applying this all over my hair. My hair looks and feels so hydrated. I love it. Okay, this is a good treatment. Try it out and let me know in the comment section. I'll show you guys after 7 days. I'll lose my hair and tell you guys what happened to my hair and the rest. That will be in another upload. This is what is left. I'm going to apply this because I'm going to finish it. I'm going to apply this after I finish braiding my hair. I'll just apply it at the outer part of the hair and that's it. So this is what it looks like that is remaining. I'll apply this at the ending of my braids. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe, like the video, share it, leave your thoughts, leave your comment, let me know what you think about this treatment. And yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.